Welcome back to the channel. Today we got another ride-along video. You know, the ones that I take out and thrash on the vet and try to get a fun reaction out of people. I'm aware that I'm a mess, the vet's a mess. We'll get to that in a later video. But until then, enjoy the video. And to take it off, you just twist this part right here and it releases everything.
In case it starts on fire.
Yes. Shouldn't catch fire. Should be pretty uneventful. Little hesitation right at because it's been sitting there hot. Yeah, I don't have windshield wipers, so that's fun.
See, I've got one extra one if you want. Sitting around.
Technically, I do have them. I have the entire wiring harness sitting on my wall of my shop. Just tries to keep the noise down for the neighbors. They put up with me. But you can just hear how loud it is. I gotta get the exhaust out from under the car and out. It makes a world of difference because all the noise is just bouncing up to the bottom of the car.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I guess you need a speedometer, huh?
I have it memorized based off RPM.
Alright.
Around 2300 is about 45-50.
Gotcha, okay.
And around 3200 is about 70. That's how it just keeps accelerating all the way up. Like at 120, you don't feel it slowing down.
Right.
At 120, you're still like, woo! It's nice to be able to take an engine that I built and go out and do that, and then it still drives absolutely fucking perfect.
Oh, yeah. I was watching in fourth gear, I was like watching the RPMs, I was like, oh my god, that guy's fucking woo! Even in fourth gear, I'm like, go.
So, first gear is super easy. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments down below and I try to answer them as fast as I can. Until then, catch you later.